evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The National Board of Directors of the TGS Social Promotion Association Youth and Social Tourism presented a series of online meetings reserved for TGS members from all over Italy, which will be held from November 2020 to June 2021 using the Google Meet platform. The Scholarships for Educational Integration program is a project being implemented since 2007 by the St. Giovanni Bosco and St. Domenico Savio Parish of Cordoba in collaboration with the BBVA Group. The Alliance's objective is to strengthen the integration and permanence in the educational system, lower and high schools, of adolescents between 12 and 19 years old whose families have a low level of income insufficient to support their education. On the occasion of the World Day of Childhood and Adolescence, which is celebrated next Friday, November 20th, the entities that will make up the National Coordination of Salesian social platforms are promoting the campaign #AppreciMoreDT, Let's Learn From You, to highlight the commendable behavior of children and adolescents during the COVID-19 pandemic and protect their rights. The Postulator General for the Causes of Saints of the Salesian Family, Father Palugi Cameroni, transmitted the news that the Holy See has approved the validity of the diocesan inquiry for the cause of beatification and canonization of the servant of God, Father Angre Magjen, to the Superior of the Saint Cyril and to the Superior of the Saint Cyril in Methodius Province of Slovenia, Father Marko Kosnik to the Vice Postulator, Dr. Alogi Slavosno, SDB, to the members of the Salesian family, and to all the friends of Don Bosco in Slovenia. On 12 November, the Salesians of Fatumaka honored the feast day in memory of the national heroes. In fact, November 12th is a historic date for the people of East Timor. On this day, we remember the Santa Cruz Massacre, a violent repression of East Timor's independence demonstration, which took place in the cemetery of Santa Cruz in Dili on November 12, 1991, during the Indonesian occupation of East Timor. On November 15, the traditional appointment of SYM Day took place online on the theme, In the Heart of the World. The event began with the introduction of Sister Emma Bergandi, FMA Provincial, and continued with various activities, including the Eucharistic celebration in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Turin, the testimony of Andre Franzoso, the intervention of Father Leonardo Mancini, Superior of the Special Circumscription of Piedmont and Valle d'Aosta. The Don Bosco magazine, the family magazine of Salesian of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians of Germany and Austria, increases its digital offer. On the magazine's new website, www.donboscomagazine.eu, exclusive articles, interviews, comments, and feature columns on topics related to families are available, as are creative proposals. Special attention is paid to the work of the Salesian presence in Germany, Austria, and the rest of the world. Through the website, we want to give the greatest number of people the opportunity to know Don Bosco and his work, explains Father Alphonse Frederick, Editor-in-Chief of the Don Bosco magazine. The Don Bosco magazine is now active on Facebook. The Salesian Refectory, Padre Shava of Tijuana, directed by Father Agustin Novao Levia, SDB, has been serving meals for over 30 years, accompanying and welcoming the most vulnerable, especially migrants. Currently, the number of people who come to the Father Chava refectory has increased. Usually, we assist between 900 and 1,000 people daily, and with the pandemic, we come to assist up to 2,000 a day, said the coordinator Claudia Portela. In recent days, all the staffs, users, and guests of the Salesian refectory Father Chava have been vaccinated against the flu. 25 were present from 5 states of Inspectoria. Meeting was excited by Salesian Peromio S. Leonardo Tadeo and the novices Fernando BBH, Gabriel Coelho BCG, Matthias BMA, Max BCG, Rafael BCG, Patrick BMA, Wanderson BMA, and Yuri BBH. Between 1889 and 1911, Salesian mission works were founded on the territory of Dawson Island, an island belonging to Tierra del Fuego archipelago, 100 kilometers south of Punta Arenas. The Salesians arrived in these places with the task of protecting and evangelizing the population, now extinct, of Selknam Native Americans. In the photo, the Salesians and a group of workers pose inside the small sawmill on the island. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.